slipping.
You can go right in with him. That's it.
This is what he's got to do. He's got to finish him off. Tony Tucker unloading. Tony Tucker to the head of Lewis. And Lewis just standing there.
But Lewis hurt. That is it. Is he hurt or is he... Seconds tick by on the clock, hoping to get past. Oh, two nice little shots.
Does Tucker have it in the reserve to come back?
A nice right-handed hook, but is Lennox Lewis setting another trap? You can't tell. This will be a very...
Back comes Tucker. But Lewis again taunting. That is it for the 9th round. 20 seconds remaining in the 6th.
Pertandingan tinju kelas berat Lennox Lewis versus Tony Tucker 8 Mei 1993 di Thomas & Mack Center, Nevada, Amerika Serikat. Tony Tucker merupakan mantan juara dunia sabuk IBF setelah mengalahkan James Douglas, tetapi kehilangan gelar pertahanan pertamanya ketika berhadapan dengan Mike Tyson. Pertandingan ini merupakan pertandingan Lennox Lewis untuk pertama kalinya mempertahankan gelar kelas berat WBC miliknya setelah Riddick Bowe memilih untuk mengosongkan gelar tersebut. Tony Tucker datang sebagai penantang utama WBC untuk berhadapan dengan Lennox Lewis, harus berjuang keras selama 12 ronde jalannya pertandingan ini. Pada ronde pembuka, keduanya terlihat melakukan gerakan-gerakan yang sangat agresif dan mempertunjukkan penampilan terbaik di antara kedua petarung.
Tony Tucker
got to do more than this.
Well, yeah, Lennox is only 27, Tony's 34, so this could be...
And that is it.
Each other with no real action. We talked about being in the big show. Is the pressure getting to him?
20 seconds remaining in the 2nd.
Well, he certainly caught Tony's attention with that one. That was the only good solid punch of that round.
Di ronde ketiga pertandingan ini, Tony Tucker melemparkan pukulan jab ke arah Lewis, namun Lewis berhasil mengelaknya dan dengan cepat membalas dengan pukulan hook tangan kanannya yang membuat Tony Tucker terjatuh ke kampas untuk pertama kalinya di sepanjang karir tinjunya.
He says to Joe Clark,
to say was they're both 6'5" and they can nullify each other's power a little bit by leaning, but Tony's not leaning out of the way.
Keep this avalanche off of him, but if he doesn't fight offensively, he'll get knocked to the canvas. He's got to follow in. He's got to take the fight to Lennox Lewis.
Pound. And they are making their presence felt. So is Tony Tucker here in this instance. And he's trying to drag Lewis down with him. That's a slip, obviously.
I better start telling Tony, you better start pressing the gas. You're falling way behind here.
Let's go. Tony Tucker was knocked down to the 3rd round. We enter round 5, scheduled for 12. Lennox Lewis.
Low blow warning.
There's a right hand by Lewis. That left just.
There you go. There you go. Now he's going. Now Tony at least manifesting some aggression.
Pada ronde ke-6, tampaknya Lennox Lewis lebih mendominasi pertarungan ini dengan melangkah maju dan memberi serangan yang berhasil menekan pertahanan dari Tony Tucker.
But right now, Lewis is the lesser of the two evils. Under 20 seconds remaining in the 6th.
Why was that?
To the 6th. I believe that was the best assault of the night, but it was all verbal. And from the mouth of Pepe Correa in the Lennox Lewis corner. And there's a good right hand by Lennox Lewis.
I'll tell you what, that's what Pepe Correa also said to Lewis, to dig up that body, start to break that body up. And I'll tell you what, he's going to the head, but he's not going to the body at all.
Wicked right, hooked by Lewis. Is another one, but back comes Tucker with the combination.
Finally some fight in Tucker.
Beautiful right uppercut by Tony, putting his hands down, getting a little cocky. More of a slip, I don't think.
Head for the bell. Gun. but urging Lewis on to throw combinations with faster.
Tony Tucker berhasil melemparkan begitu banyak pukulan kombinasi yang membawa Lewis ke dalam masalah, tepatnya di akhir ronde ke-8 ini.
So convinced he could throw it without the right hand. Now he throws the right hand back and he's fighting back.
Maybe the best punch of the night by Tucker, that lunging right. Now combinations by Tucker.
Now push him off and go right in with him. That's it.
This is what he's got to do. He's got to finish him off. Tony Tucker unloading. Tony Tucker to the head of Lewis. And Lewis just standing there. But he fights
Lewis
back.
hurt. That is it. Is he hurt or is he...
Namun Lennox Lewis berhasil membalikkan keadaan pada detik 25 tersisa dengan mendaratkan beberapa pukulan keras yang telak mengenai dan melukai Tony Tucker di akhir ronde ke-8.
Tucker's hurt. Now that's heavyweight action. And Tucker's holding on.
Tucker may be ready to go. Hang it on.
He's took for his troubles, did Tony Tucker, but live, good action.
And there's the bell.
Tucker's out.
Oh,
look at his legs.
Look at his leg.
Oh, it's...
And there you go again. He's coming up out of it, and this is a big right hand. He gets hit with an elbow in the back of the head.
Ronde ke-9. Ketika dimulainya ronde ke-9, Lennox Lewis langsung melangkah maju menyerang dan berhasil menjatuhkan Tony Tucker untuk kedua kalinya dengan mendaratkan hook kanan ke sisi kepala Tony Tucker. Namun Tony Tucker langsung bangkit berdiri dan kembali melanjutkan pertarungan.
Lots of time remaining in the 9th round. 2.5 minutes. Lewis trying to end it right here. Oh, what a left hand by Lewis.
Tight back. He just doesn't have it in his body to come back with it. He's just sitting waiting for the assault. Boy, look at that right hand by Lennox.
Just as Tucker in the last round started to get some offense together, it appears
Tucker is just barely there by just a thread. So Lennox Lewis has tried manfully to get him down. Let's see if he can finish this. Or either he's got to wait till those juices start coming back into his muscles so he can punch. Tony is just kind of waiting for the assault, just listening to that second tick by on the clock, hoping to get past. Oh, two nice little shots.
Does Tucker have it in the reserve to come back?
a nice right-handed hook, but is Lennox Lewis setting another trap? You can't tell. This will be a very cagey, inexperienced champion.
He's setting his trap. It's kind of stupid when you got a big guy there that can bang you. He's just kind of letting him take it. Of course, that's how he got him in trouble the last time. Let him get brave and then punch his head off.
Interesting, because Tucker's saying he's the one with the experience. Tucker with a right cross.
There's nothing on Tucker's punches, though. Nothing.
And then a low blow by
leading up into a good heavyweight championship fight with both men trying to get the advantage rather than that chess game we were watching.
Lennox Lewis is looking to load up on one right hand.
That's it.
There's the hook.
That's what he's looking for, Bobby. Just that one zipping punch that'll change him around, turn his legs to jelly.
He's sitting on it, too. You can see him. He's starting to lean back, starting to cock it. He's looking to take that right over the top. And right now he's risking taking right hands.
Back comes Tucker. But Lewis again taunting. That is it for the 9th round.
Give Tucker credit for guts.
Pada ronde ke-10, Tony Tucker berusaha kembali membalikkan keadaan dengan melakukan serangan yang berhasil membuat Lennox Lewis melangkah mundur untuk menghindari penekanan yang Tony Tucker berikan.
Once you're already beating the other guy, you're beating him well, you start being cautious. Now look at this. He's taking a good little beating, and he's still there, and he's still dangerous.
We approach 20 seconds left in the 10th round.
Ronde ke-11 sampai selesainya pertandingan, kedua petinju mengerahkan semua yang mereka miliki dan menciptakan pertarungan yang sangat bagus untuk ditontonkan, di mana kedua petinju terlihat memiliki pertahanan yang sangat kuat dan sangat sulit untuk dirobohkan.
So you talk about uncharted waters, and again, we harken back to the two judges from Great Britain. If this goes, he's just not landing, just not following in like he did before.
Lewis slipping.
His foot went right out of the ring, down to a knee. No punches landed, just one of those things. But that again is something you can also.
Final 37.
neutralize each other.
It's sure that Tony Tucker said at the outset that doesn't trouble him.
Isn't that somewhat of an oxymoron?
What you call Lennox Lewis trying to hold on to the championship. Tony Tucker,
A great deal of authority is Lennox. I mean, his punches aren't hard. They're
The odds, the better fighter. That experience that Tony Tucker's had early in his career.
aggressiveness. From time to time, he showed the aggressiveness that would have made him a good champion. If he's that far behind, he should be running his boss like he did before and mixing it up. He justified his title shot, I'll say that. He fought hard. I don't think Lennox increased his popularity a great deal.
or his stock.
No.
Final seconds of the fight. There it is. That is it.
Setelah pertandingan usai, Tony Tucker harus mengakui kehebatan dari seorang Lennox Lewis. Setelah ketiga hakim juri sepakat memberi kemenangan angka bulat kepada Lennox Lewis.
116 to 112, all three in favor of the winner and still heavyweight champion of the world, Lennox Lewis.